In front of me is XIAOMI 17T Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can operate apps permissions. First, open Settings. Then scroll to choose this section here called Security and Privacy. Now, you need to scroll down to access Privacy Controls, and when you're ready, select Permission Manager. To manage it, you can either pick any feature, select an app and manage it, or you can pick one of those just to find an app you are interested in. Let's start with a feature though. For example, I want to manage all permissions for my location. So I have to click here, tap on Apps. Under Allowed all the time, allowed only while in use, or not allowed. And adjust all of those options accordingly. I want my AliExpress to only have access to location while I'm using it. So when I tap on this option, go back and swipe, I can see that AliExpress indeed only has access to my device's location while I'm using it. But what I like to do is to pick a feature, select an app I want to manage, and instead of tapping on any of those options, scroll all the way down to tap on See All Permissions. This way I can manage all of those only for a chosen app, the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!